the procedure that is prescribed, and the polling has started peacefully. At 9 o'clock, the poll percentage is more than 17%. So, and I hope the polling percentage will increase further. Among the districts, Longthalai is number one in terms of poll percentage, clocking over 22.6%. Nathial has done around 17%, Lunglai 19%, Siaha 18%, and Sarchip 19%. Among the biggest assembly seat, Tuichuang, which has the highest number of voters, 36,000 plus, it has achieved a turnout of 25%. And it is followed by Longthalai West at 25%. Among the assembly seats which are witnessing lower voter turnout is Aizawl East 2, which has recorded a poll percentage of 12%, and Aizawl North 3, 12.46%. So I would like to mention that public holiday has been declared even for private sector, and one initiative that has been taken this time is that Government of Mizoram has issued a circular in which the government servants have been urged to exercise their right and also their duty as government servants and responsible citizens to cast their vote. So I would like to mention, I will just like to read out the highlights of Government of Mizoram circular that was issued on 17. It is mentioned that in the last Lok Sabha elections conducted in 2019, Mizoram has witnessed a voter turnout of only 63%, which is significantly lower than the national average of 67%. This not only undermines the democratic spirit, but also weakens the voice of our population in shaping the future course of our nation. It is therefore incumbent upon every eligible voter to set an example by actively participating in the electoral process. It has been reiterated that all government servants under the Government of Mizoram and corporations and state bodies receiving funds from Government of Mizoram, they have been requested to prioritize their civic duty and cast their vote diligently today, which has also been declared as a public holiday. And what is significant is that in addition to the public servants themselves, the public servants have been urged to encourage their family members and relatives who are eligible voters to also exercise their franchise today. So let me request through the media to reinforce this duty among all the eligible voters of Mizoram towards their commitment to democracy by actively participating in the electoral process. I would also like to mention that with the intervention of Directorate of Higher and Technical Education, Mizoram University and other institutions of higher learning like Women's Polytechnic, Durtlang, Government College Aizawl, Government Johnson College, and all institutions of higher learning have also declared special casual leave for the students who are studying to enable them to go to their native places and cast their vote. So we are hopeful that with the participation of all sections, and this message can be disseminated by the media so that we can have a all-time highest record voter turnout in Mizoram. Thank you. Now I will request my colleague Dr. Lianzala, Additional CEO 1 Mizoram, to spread the same message in Mizo language.
Thank you, sir. Media community press conference man bota kan point on the so yeah kan siêu sa rin với nia hiền anh này có vắng qua kan có được trang nào tên ta ta tên hiền hmaa ai beisei na sang lúc tục kan này lâu đâu thì bộ ní na làm thấy chú vắng chuan kan media làm hiền mình quỳ thêm tuần hun tất cả bộ hiền vót thác tu đã sawm na hi alive te pon min air the min carry sak them ani lo pon in message khap tu nai na poi mo ta 17 vel ani chuan tu ar liang a khan jing la mai chun upa ho leng mu ven an thak tang puya chu tiang trends ngai tu chuan 70 kan cross ka umeng ti kan law ani chu bang chu ti rol chuan helaya data kan na yang te press conference kan nei thinang banga ya kha press club ang nge an mani kalchini ti ve te ang kan tia voin hian chu bang chuan voin ni kan pan ve chu ni ti pok kan soi duwa chuanin kan thiat angin sarkar na thokte po holiday pek te kan nia khoi lai ma lo fashion dai avo thak lo te kan omani chuan khang te po kha lo en zui ve ta ula mi lo en zui pui ve ta lo vo thak tur ni ti hi message si lo soi ve dat te po ni sara sarkar po khangin na an mani nan mai po lo an chung ten family te thleng po in sarkar na thok chuan vo thak turin an som tur ni ti kha china gd circular khan kan huwa chu setangin min lo khedam le zolta tuna dar ka tlem te om chung hian chanin la te ang india rama record in set te ang yang Dawhkan kan ngai tu no martin sarkar na thok ba ka hian sarkar thupe kangin sum don na le mi mal nuai sor zong zong te po a chhor tu ten boinia bo thana tur hian chalan pe turani ti kha ania sina kana nen kwer china ange ni restaurant lar tak pakhata chuan soite po soitai la kfc a chuan an thok tu te chol an pe thatok lo ti report kharon oma kan han bo zui dewa nimin lama thingtlang a ho tur chu cholan lo pe mai ti thu te kan thia voina po asif duty nan lo in siama ati tiang chuan mumal takin votan in thak ti rani ti te kha kan ngai thabok ani tu tiang deuh che chuan tu na po hian na thak ti lo dorin khar hlei thei lo ten omani chuan ba thak ti velok mai sela kan ti ani kan ri ruwa chuan e thei topin a sweep lama tang te ke mani CEO office le district office atangin thei top kan chhuwa tu na hian aggressive devin campaign kan neya ko ran thuai tu te NGO te student te le midang dang sport lampang te lengkim department sang sang line department te po kan soma chu tiang kan halak na chu a lo thin theina turin voin hen ani poimo ni taka hian media ho hian thei top min han chhuwa pui la kan tia chung jinga chuan voin he university te college te school te po an higher technical te MZU te ZMC thlengin chol an pe a vot thang na turin chu wang chuan chung ho chuan vot an thang ne thina turin chan min lak pui la tin kan som chewani chuan awainia kan in message atana kan sio bina soi tong khan vot thang nu nung pol ni ai chuan vot thang ma sapol ni hi athani dan ngai ngak kher lo wangu tin ngen na te po min lo siam sakula dan ha ri lui luya enge mo ther lo chang ni om taka kan thu tu tu thin te po hi om lo ta sela chuan dan ha chuan pola close thei nge na turin thim ha nge ya vot kan thak zo theina turin record kan siam theina turin vot thak zo tlaya record hi kan nei fo maya chu bang chuan a polling official te po kan nor de wangai ni mai theya chuta chuan mipui apoi mo ta pera party ho point he top min chua pui turin kan ngen bokani ti kha kan soidua a to pera chuanin sang hi som pakua kan data kha 63.13 nia national average kha 67.1% nia sang hi som ni palia hen khu ngai tengu vok tlak thanna ber stage jinga kan tel theni ti hi riain mani na tul kalsanin tuna in khel mek te kanamani poni hoa an khel zo chani thak angu dor hong mek te ni point dor atangi chhuatirin thak ti rangu chu tiang chon halak lo deu ko ran program kan lo nei ni point chan lam panga tal voti thak ti rangu kan nau te kan member te yang zong khan chan min lak pui turin kan som chewa voinia min thopui na wan lom thu kan soi ni lo na.
The polling has started peacefully and there has been no major problem. During the mock poll, some EVMs were not in order and they were promptly replaced. So there has been no impediment as far as any technical or human issue is concerned. And there has also been no law and order problem. Thank you.
Conduct one party apo level playing field turin thei top kan chua inang tlang turin ma chu alo red thena ro su thena nge ni nisati de pom thei so thei top kan chu ni tira chu min shet thiam puil nang ni pon in se thiamin karinga oine social media chak tak awangin har san te kan tok ne ti lawa chuan MCC apo problem kan nei lawa chu veini headline local hi kan lom tak seta kun chep tak kara min thopui zela counting ni thenga in hule ho zel thei turin oine hian kan lom thu soi chungin kan han ngen cheu ni du sana kan khan cheu ni kan lo me thank you.